Alright, look, y'all. Hey, welcome back. I know I've been gone for a minute. Just be honest with y'all. You know, life through that right hook, I ducked it. The left ain't miss me. You know what I'm saying? The left hook ain't miss me. So today's Thomas talk is gonna be we're going to the farm. We got like a little late start. It's 12:16. I'm eating cookies from Crumble Cookies. Um, Crumble, if y'all see this, you know, hey, sponsor your boy. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Help somebody out.
You know what I'm saying? Help somebody out. This my little brother Justin, y'all.
So what's up?
What up? And so, yeah, we're gonna be farm boys today, because you know, Pop's got a farm and we're going down there, fix the fence, and that's what he said yesterday. But ain't no telling really what we gonna do when we get down there. And it's 12:16, so I mean, shoo. I mean, hold on, you know that. Sip my little coffee. Appreciate you. But yeah, you know, hey y'all stay tuned in. We finna, yeah.
Look, we at the farm. You know, time to start working. Boots, jeans. T-Farms hat, you see it. You know what I'm saying? T-Farm.
Always gotta have pants on. You ain't gonna make it.
So look, y'all, we at the farm. You always need pants when you're at the farm. I don't care. If you working at the farm, you need pants. You know what I'm saying?
Pants, sweatpants, joggers, and all
I got
that.
shorts on right now, but you need pants. You need something to cover your legs, right? That's this right here. Phone. Bow. Put these on real quick like that. You know what I'm saying? My fault, y'all. Look. You always need your boots. You know?
Watch out for all boards. They will have nails.
Slides, you gotta put them up.
They ain't durable.
So, boom, jeans. I mean, long sleeve, that's good too. You know what I'm saying? Protect from the sun and everything else you finna deal with, get dirty. Short sleeve, that's fine too. Get you a hat, some shades. It's the summertime, baby. You know what I'm saying?
Summertime.
You gotta figure out what you gonna do when you come out to the farm. You gotta figure out what to wear. This is the proper attire. I know y'all see my necklace. You know what I'm saying? Little Cuban link. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? The Palo Santo on there. Apple Watch. You know what I'm saying? Well, look, we finna get into it. Yeah, y'all come along. So y'all, we at the farm. Right now, well, that's the concrete. You see, we just got that poured not too long ago. Trailer right there, side by side. Tractor. A tractor very helpful out here in the farm. You got the goats, the sheep. We got a ram, a black one too, all black. Well, we got dogs, of course, hound dog, cows, hogs. You know, Pop's the butcher as well, farmer. He a man of many talents. Boots, you know what I'm saying? Some of that right there. What we finna do now, we finna clean up. We got chickens and ducks. Finna clean up a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see the animals. That's fine. If y'all can't, y'all see them later. That's another pen right there behind me. So yeah, we just, you know, y'all finna hit the ducks, and the chickens probably. So yeah, let me see, show y'all real quick what we got right here. So look, we got Justin right there. What up, camera?
Whoa.
Say what up, camera.
You know what I'm saying? What's up, camera?
We got this concrete slab. We're gonna clean that off too. The pigs, there's the hog right there. She had her piglets. Yeah. They in the shade. We put that right there so they can have some shade. Oh, the cows back here too. Oh yeah. You know what that means? It's a good time then. Right here. That's the horse trailer, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Just a couple things we doing. You know. Close the gate back. Y'all just gonna close the gate back. Yeah. Right now, we just making sure we we got some things we're doing. So we just trying to make sure we got everything straight in order. You hear the dogs. I don't know if y'all can hear me well. It probably be too loud. I don't know. I have to see when I put it on my laptop to edit the video. So yeah, you know, this is just a little bit on what we're doing. My boy right here, my girl, my fault. I'm sorry. Babe, hey. She ain't paying me no mind. They eating that grass, boy. They eating that grass. So yeah, this, you know, this is my little sanctuary, you know what I'm saying? I get away, you know what I'm saying? Come out here sometime and meditate, you know what I'm saying? Get some peace and quiet. They doing some construction back here too. I can't let y'all know everything now, you know what I'm saying? But just know it's some good things happening. That's a little pond right there. For those of y'all that don't know, yeah, I'm from Louisiana. I don't know if all y'all know that or whatever. Another gate we finna climb. You know, Justin, sir, can you hold the camera for me, sir? Yeah, appreciate you, sir. Really should people see me climb that fence, you know what I'm saying? So, it's just a trail we got right here, going through. Pops back there. I don't know if y'all can see him. Let's see. Can y'all see Pops? Pops is my little cousin right there. You know. A little construction going over there. So yeah, you know. Hey. Yeah, hey. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just what we finna do is, I don't know if y'all can hear me or not, but what we finna do, we finna make extend the fence a little bit longer. Just so we can, you know, I just know we're gonna extend the fence. That's all I know right now. Yeah. Right now, y'all, he finna move some of that out the way. This the auger. That's what we was using earlier to dig the holes. The auger. I don't know if y'all can really see it, but it's a little cleaner than it was. We're trying to get this straight away because we got to build that fence. So we're gonna clip some of those right there. We clip some of those limbs so we can push everything back. And so what's finna happen, we finna get some post hole diggers. I'm gonna show it to y'all. And we gonna clean those out right there. We're gonna clean those holes out. As much dirty as possible, we're gonna clean it out. And then put the post in there, get the sackcrete, set them in the ground stably. Well, so they can be stable. Yeah. Y'all can see Pops right there. Pops, you gonna say what's up? So we just cleaning that. These right here. This is what we use right here, y'all, to clean the to help clip the lens. Alright, y'all. So for the most part, sheesh. I don't know if y'all can see it though. Let me see. Oh damn, hold on, my hat fell. So for the most part, right there, if y'all can see that, I don't know, the glare. Let me see. Yeah. So right there, my fault. Right there is where we're cleaning that off so we can get our fence right here to keep going straight across cleanly and freely. And right now Justin's still doing that for most part. Well, he finished with most of it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna rake it. We're gonna rake it clean, and then I'm gonna go over here. Right there where you see that hole at, I don't know if y'all can see that, but the hole right there on the ground, that's where I'm gonna use, sorry if I'm yelling, but I don't know how the microphone, if you can hear me all the way, I'm gonna use this post hole digger. We gotta clean it out.
Break it up with that surf series and hit it with that post.
Man, I'm telling you.
Hey, what is it? Hey, better not let me catch but the wheel.
let me say this. The movie Hoes, when they say, you know how they have to dig holes all day? They had to be shovel long, shovel wide. When I say that build character, bro, it really do build character.
I'm a good boy now.
Look, I don't care. If y'all angry or upset with somebody, I will give you a sharpshooter and a transfer shovel. Yeah, I'll give you a sharpshooter and a transfer shovel. I promise you, all your anger and stress when you digging, all that's finna go away. I promise you. You know what I'm saying? I promise you that. Right now we dumping some of them things right there. Oh, we gotta open the gate because yeah. So. The gate is not always the gate is not always one of them things. It's light. I mean it's light, but whew, you got drag and everything. Oh, it's my little cousin Marquise, y'all. Say what up, Marquise. Man, say what up to the camera. What? Say what up to the camera, bro. Say what up to the camera. You said what? Man, really right here. Yeah, you wanna do it right here. Yeah, now. Yeah. Just go right up, go up that way. And then we're gonna back up right here. Boy. You said what? He ran over doo-doo? What, yeah? Go forward.
Huh?
Go forward. Yeah, so. Gears been slipping inside the transmission. Don't doze off. Hey, for those of you who know, that's a good song. So we got right there. It's alright. Yeah. Hold on, Justin. Get back in there. Get back in there. You ain't got no boots on. You ain't got no boots. You ain't got no pants on. Your mama not finna get on my case because you out here getting towed up. Oh. All right, that's it. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Oh, shoot, that hurt. All right, go up. There you go. Oh, you should have went. Man, go ahead, dude. All right, man. Okay then. Hey, that boy not getting out of traffic, man. Hey, he not getting out of traffic, huh? That boy say he know how to get in and out of traffic. Pop's back, y'all. Pop's back.
Back up to the rescue.
Be careful, man. You don't want to pull up? Pull up. Yeah, boy. Right there.
So, one misconception people get about farming and owning a farm is the fact that you think, oh, it's just feed animals and pet animals all day and woo, build a farm. You know what I'm saying? Build a barn. Actually, it's so much more maintenance, cost, and it's more hard work than people think. What I'm showing y'all is just a snippet of what it takes to run the actual farm. So yeah, I don't know if y'all can hear me because the wind blowing. Y'all probably hear the train. Y'all probably hear everything else. But yeah. So, and y'all, I'm sorry, I can't show y'all everything because I'm actually doing the work too. So I'm only showing snippets of what we do. And this is just today. Like another day we could do something completely different. We might not even touch no fence, no wood, no nothing. We might touch animals all day, you know what I'm saying? We might have to just give the animals their medicine, feed them, clip their hooves and all that. So yeah, that's one thing that people don't understand about having animals and owning animals. So like goats, sheep, rams, their hooves grow. Horses, their hooves grow.
So you have to clip them after so long. Otherwise, it can cause so many problems to the animal. And in the long run, that's going to cost you more money to maintain the animal. So, yeah. It's right now it's 4:49. So y'all, right now I'm cleaning this part out right here. My little brother Justin, and my pop, they went down there. Like I said, we still cleaning this out, like pushing it aside, cleaning out, dumping it in the back. Some of it we dumping in the back. It's the branches, y'all. That's it. The branches, vines, all that. Just so we can get the a penny. Hey, I don't care how big I get. I ain't never too big. Pick up a penny, some money off the ground. This is why I say it's important to wear boots and jeans. Yeah, y'all. Yes. Oh. Hey. Understand. I'm gonna say this. Whoever my wife is, she gotta understand. Baby, I want some land. This right here ain't doing nothing but preparing me for whenever I get to that stage in my life. I want land. No. Rephrase that. I'm going to have land, acres. I want acres. Acres of land. Some of it, yeah, I'm gonna just, I ain't gonna say everything that I will do, because, yeah, I mean, you can't stop what God got for you. But some of y'all probably ain't even happy for me, but y'all watching. I appreciate y'all too, though. I appreciate y'all too. So yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all, finish clearing this out, and I think I'm gonna show y'all some more. Or the next thing is we're gonna move to me and my brother telling what we think what people think the misconception about farming is. Yeah, welcome back. Alright, today we done. What we did today was move some of the forestry, I guess you want to call it, branches, vines, and all that. We moved that over. Set up some T-posts. That's the green fence post. Some of y'all don't know what that is. I probably just Google it. Just Google it. I'm not gonna get up right now to go show y'all. But we finna go to the house. We set a fence up. Set a couple gates up. I broke a gate by accident playing around with the goats, and we had to fix that real quick. Today was an alright day. It was a slow day. So it's my brother Elijah. He was at work. You know what I'm saying? That's why he went in the beginning of the video. He should have been, but he wanted to go to work. It's fine.
What you mean? What you mean? Okay.
What you mean?
Uh,
All right. So let me ask y'all this: what do y'all think people don't understand about farming? Elijah, go first.
you don't understand about farming. I would say the necessity, well, the man hours, the constant surveillance of your farm, the constant maintenance, the paperwork.
What about you?
It's fun. It's not always work. Sometimes the work that you do can be fun or relieving, depending on what you got going. And sometimes when you get done, it's satisfying. You know, it ain't always work. It can be fun and chill, and you can go on your own pace on how you want to do it.
Earlier in the videos, I just explained like people don't understand everything that comes with a farm, like maintaining a farm, to make sure it's thriving as well. It comes with a lot. Y'all don't worry about this little broken thing in the back. The wind came and got it and tore it up. But yeah, so a farm, it's fun. All right. Sorry about that, but yeah, it's a lot more that goes into a farm. On any type of land, it's a lot more that goes into that people actually care to realize and care to understand. It's fun. It's like Justin said, it's fun. It can be relieving, satisfying as well. But also, like Elijah said, paperwork, the maintenance, surveillance. But also, like Justin said, the pace that you work at. You know, whatever you want on your land, your farm, it's what you do. You know what I'm saying? Like it's going to your pace because that's yours. For everybody a lot of people that know me, a lot of people that don't know me, I want my own land. That's point blank period. All this right here is just, and I had to talk with my uncle, and I came to another realization the other day, and acceptance of the fact, hey, this is just, everything right now is just preparing me for what I want in the future. You know, so that's just a little bit about that. So yeah, what do y'all think that like our friends, like our individual friends that we have, like not our mutual friends, but what do you think our friends think about farming? Like, what would you want them to know? You know what I'm saying?
My friends.
My friends already know.
What do I want to know?
Yeah, like what you want to know? Like what you want them to know?
That it's time consuming. They be thinking I be on my phone 24/7 on social media. They be trying to find out why I be so ghost. It's time consuming. We out here. Ain't no out here for 20, 30 minutes.
Boy, you
We out here all day.
Your schedule would be clear.
Boy, for the
Y'all
whole
be,
week.
y'all ain't got nothing to do now, but
Look,
we be
then
out
you
here.
gotta recover the next day too.
They be out there doing things, different things all day. Now we be the same place
All day,
all day.
no food. Sometimes.
No food.
If
No water.
You got me.
16 days. She kissed me, she killed. He never been before.
We still love what we ate at 12. It's 4. It's
Whoa.
4.
8:22.
Last time we ate was 12.
Look, we out here a little hungry. I know you hungry.
We drinking hose water.
Well water. Oh man. That well water tastes different too, y'all.
It's just a lot
But if
better.
you're thirsty, I'm gonna let you know. It's gonna be real refreshing.
Oh, it is cold somehow.
That cold well water, boy, that water be.
You
Nah,
thirsty
I
enough,
can
you'll
see-
understand.
But what? Yeah, I can say most as far as friends go, they do a whole bunch of like trail rides, always wearing the boots and everything, but they don't know what come with them boots. With them $300-400 pair of boots, they don't know the work that come behind them. All they do is ride horses, say they country, say this and that, but bro, you ain't putting it out there like that. Yeah, you may have your horse at somebody else's house or at your house, but what?
Should I
Can't say that. Can't say that.
If they see me, I can't protect you. He said it, y'all.
They ain't even say nothing, man. I hope the camera ain't even catch it.
You hope. You hope.
I hope the camera.
No, I hope very good. But nah, they don't know. Well, I ain't gonna say they don't know, cause some of them may know. But I feel certain people, they say, oh yeah, this and that, and this. They ain't ever been out here in it. They ain't never. How I go with? They ain't never been in the trenches. It's dealing with farm. Like, yeah, they been in the
They be
trenches.
on the side of the
city.
mud. They don't be in the mud.
Me. Digging them trenches for
Look,
real.
they'll walk through it, you know what I'm saying? They might walk through it, get a little dirt on their boots.
Put a little tiptoe in there.
No,
Nah.
They ain't never dug a trench.
I want y'all to come out here and walk around in that mud and actually have to stand in it.
Boy.
Stand in it. You know what I'm saying? Work in it. Boy, be mad all day, boy. You be,
Dig a 6-foot trench for 200 feet.
I remember we dug that trench and never used it.
I never
That
use it.
drove me.
That's another thing too about farm work. You probably start a project. Well, I'm gonna say this from my personal experience. Sometimes, I probably he'll start a project and he'll move to something else. You know what I'm saying?
You forget all about
They
it.
be like, what? I know I ain't,
So you just spent your time and your effort on that project that he was on.
Yeah.
Ain't even
He ain't even much used. But
But
at the same time, I understand too how you can go from one project to the next,
trying to get everything done.
and that's growing up too. But now it's like I said, now that I'm older, I see more of what he was trying to do. That's why people that call me now, they be like, hey, like what you doing? At the farm. What you doing? At the farm. At the farm.
Are you always at the farm?
I'm always at the farm, drinking coffee, at a coffee shop, or I'm on the go. You know what I'm saying? I just don't like to be stagnant. I don't like to be stagnant. I like to be productive. And sometimes, like when you ain't where you want to be in life, like your bills getting paid, yeah. But when you're not where you want to be in life, man, that stuff can get aggravated. You can be like, man, I gotta do something. Like you can ask my siblings. They'll tell you, if I ain't down here at the farm with them, I'm gone all day. It's real like they'll get to the house and I'm there before they get there.
Where you at? Don't worry about it. What?
Don't worry about what I be doing. I be trying to get it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so that's that though. That's that. All right, y'all. I hit my hand on my remote too. It kind of hurts. All right, y'all. We finna wrap it up. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and helped you in some way. If you got any questions, comment down below. For sure, I know y'all, it's starting getting darker. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see me in a couple seconds. Y'all gonna see my teeth, that's it. But yeah, if you got any questions, comments, concerns, or whatever, comment down below. My little brother Justin right here to the left of me. My little brother Elijah to the right of me. Hey, we here. I'm gonna put that Instagram down in the link. Well, not the link, but
And you
in the
better
bio.
go follow. You better go follow.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the link. I'm gonna put that Instagram down in the bio, not the bio, whatever the thing is. I'm gonna put it. Yeah, I'm gonna put it down there,
Link in
and
description.
y'all can follow them. Give us some topics or what you want to see on the farm, projects you want to see, whatever. You know what I'm saying? This is Thomas Talk episode 5.
Let me at the top.
You know what I'm saying? So, shoot. But yeah, we're gonna do all that, and yeah. So 1.